Inboxdollars Review 2024. How much money can you really make? Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. In this video, we're going to be talking about Inboxdollars and how much money you can really make off of this. So this is basically a review video where I will be going over Inboxdollars, showing you a bit on how you're going to work with it and telling you all the good things about it. So, it's a great platform to make money on. And obviously, there's a lot of regions that inbox dollars won't be available in. So it might give you this error where it's going to say, you can use Swagbucks, PulPay, YCents in your region. But what you can do is you can easily use a VPN and access the inbox dollars. So on your VPN, make sure to use United States of America. And once you do that, you're going to reload the page. And once you reload the page, it should load inbox dollars up. Now, the fun thing about inbox dollars is that you can earn money by watching videos on this, okay? So you can watch TV, earn rewards, and there's different ways that its features work. I'm also going to tell you inbox dollars pros and cons, how it works, and all the features that it brings you. So what is inbox dollars? So Inboxdollars is an online rewards platform that pays you for completing a variety of activities such as taking surveys, reading emails, shopping online, playing games, and much more. It's really a way to turn your extra spare time into extra cash. So you can sign up now because you know what Inboxdollars is. So now let's explore how the process works. So it's pretty simple. You basically sign up. Okay, complete activities and earn cash. So let's take a closer look at the features that make Inboxdollars a very popular choice. So Inboxdollars offers a wide range of features that allows you to earn money through various online activities. So first, there is paid surveys. Okay, so Inboxdollars provides you paid surveys. Okay, that you can find on their website, and on these paid surveys, they're going to tell you different ways on how you're going to access these surveys. So you can see taking surveys, shopping and cash offers, playing games. So these paid surveys can be on a wide range of topics. So, there's news, politics, whatever you want. Then, secondly, there's cash rewards for reading. So, reading emails, you can earn money simply. So you'll receive paid emails containing offers, okay, and promotions and much more. And then there's number 3 of earning cash while doing shopping online. So when you shop online through Inboxdollars as partner retailers, you can earn cash back on your purchases, and it's definitely a great way to save money while shopping. And fourth can be playing games. So if you enjoy playing games, Inboxdollars has a selection of games that allow you to earn cash rewards while also having a lot of fun. The fifth way to earn money is by redeeming coupon codes. So Inboxdollar offers, printable coupons that you can redeem at participating stores, saving you a lot of money on all of your purchases. Number 6, you can also go up with the different sign-up offers that you have. So you can sign up with special offers and free trials through Inboxdollars, and you can earn cash rewards. It's an additional way of making a lot of money. And number 7 is basically getting your earning receipts. So you can earn cash by allowing receipt scanning apps in Inboxdollars, allowing you to earn cash back by scanning your receipt from grocery stores, restaurants, and a whole lot more. And then finally is referring your friend. So you can refer your friend to Inboxdollars, where you can earn an additional, you could say, way of earning money. And then you can also search the web with Inboxdollars different methods of earning cash. You can also do scratch to win, where you can get grocery cash rewards and a whole lot more. So, pretty standard and basic stuff. You can also get win it codes. So win it codes will be sent out via Twitter and Facebook, and members who see the code should log on to their Inboxdollars account and enter the win it code on their member profile page. Okay, it's pretty basic stuff. So now let's move on to the big question. How much can you make with Inboxdollars? So everyone wants to know this, and I'm going to get right into the amount. So the amount you will earn will depend on various factors, including the time and effort that you put into completing activities, the availability of surveys, and those offers, and your demographic information. While it may not replace a full-time job, many users report earning a decent amount of extra cash each month. So let's get into the Inboxdollars pros by discussing some of the advantages of Inboxdollars. So first of all, there are no third-party emails. So even though Inboxdollars has a disclosure stating they sell your information, which is primarily used so you can participate in surveys, you won't receive third-party emails as a result of signing up with them. So at most, you'll get spam emails alerting you to new service that you can participate in. So they don't sell your information, which means you're pretty much good to go. So you can let them know your email and definitely go in cash. There's no third party. So that's one of the biggest pros in my opinion. And the reason for that is that a lot of platforms like this that, offer you surveys and all, they send you a lot of spam emails that will totally ruin your day. Like imagine your phone just filled with spam emails. That's not something you want to see. Now, the second pro that comes with this is that its sign up is 100% free and comes with a bonus. So just imagine that you actually get a $5 bonus for joining their platform. Like sign up and you're going to get $5 for free. So, how incredible is that? That, you're not really doing anything. You're just getting money for signing up. You're just getting money for being a good sport. The third pro would be that the parent company is well established. Although Inboxdollars itself is not accredited through the Better Business Bureau, its parent company is currently the parent company Protege LLC, which is both accredited by the Better Business Bureau and holds a B rating, which is pretty good on the rating scale. Then moving on, let's talk about the Inboxdollar cons. So here are some cons to keep in mind before, you actually get into this. So funds on Inboxdollars will take up 2 weeks to transfer to your account. So if you're ever in a position where you need a quick cash payout, there isn't much you can do. Funds can take up to 2 weeks to transfer depending on your bank, and this can't typically be accelerated. Basically, you have to wait for the transaction to the process, and in the meantime, just be patient. Then there's reasonably low earnings. So as is typical for survey sites, the earnings don't come close to amounting to a regular full-time job. The most you can expect to earn in a month's time is around $75 if you use the site with every free moment you have. And then there's minimum payout amount as well. So while the minimum payout amount is conveniently attainable, it is still higher than what most people would like. It's understandable as payouts need to be high. And obviously, I talked about this before. It's not accredited by the Better Business Bureau. The BBB has not accredited Inboxdollars, although the parent company Protege is, but Inbox is not, and it has a rating of 1.5 out of 5 stars, which is, not the best. And one final con that I really hate is that you won't qualify for every survey. So as with other survey sites, there's no guarantee you will qualify for a survey even if you spend time filling out the preliminary information. This means you could end up wasting your time on a survey and you won't get qualified or paid for. So that's the biggest con that I don't like. But apart from that, it's a good platform to make money on. It has great partners, so Netflix, Target, Walmart, all these people to get the best kind of work. And so yeah, that's basically Inboxdollars. That was an Inboxdollar review and how much money you can really make using this platform. If you enjoyed watching, please do make sure to drop down a like and subscribe to the channel. And if you want to see more videos like this in the future, let me know down in the comments below and I'll be making a whole lot more for you. Till then, that's all from me. Thank you for watching all the way till the end, and I'll see all of you in the next video. Goodbye.